Hey, what's up, guys? It's Justin Jackson, Falcon Point Roofing. I want to show y'all something. I'm up here on the roof doing an inspection right now. And this right here, I like to call major granule loss. All the shingles are there though. You see all the granules? Still on, right here. They're all gone. At least all the shingles are there. Now right next door, that is shingle loss or a lot of wind damage. So they got a few repairs, they got a repair done, but they need a whole roof. So that will be the next roof I'll be on top of. But yeah, they'll get the same service as everybody else, which is always great. You go look us up on Google. It's 5 stars across the board because that's just how we do at Falcon Point Roofing. So that's my message for today, and I'll see y'all next time. Holla.